Dear students, today we are going to discuss the topic of chapter number 4, very important topic, that is HTML. So, what is an HTML? HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. Okay, so it was first developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. HTML is a short form of hypertext markup language. Okay. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. This I have already told you. HTML describes the structures of web pages using markup. So whatever web page that you see in a browser or in a website that are created by HTML. HTML elements are building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are represented by tags. This is a very important line, that HTML elements are represented by tags. Okay. So whatever HTML documents you are creating, so you use various tags, and you will be using various tags while forming an HTML document. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML tags but use them to render the content of the page. Next is, what is a markup language? I told you that HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Now what do you mean by a markup language? A markup language refers to the use of characters within a piece of information that can be used to process or identify that information in a particular way. This is the structure of an HTML document. I will be explaining you line by line this structure in the next video, right? So let us first study what does this indicates. So this, when the above code is viewed in a browser, for example in Internet Explorer, Netscape, or Mozilla Firefox, what in fact the browser is doing is interpreting the markup elements and displaying the content. So whatever is there in the body, in body we have two lines. Display this in a heading 1 definition, and second is display this in a normal text definition. So whatever there in the body tag, within the body tag will be displayed in the browser. Not all the tags will be displayed, or not all the content will be displayed, right? Only the content which is under the body tag or within the body tag will be displayed. Next, very important topic, tag. See, a tag is a bit of text that acts as a point demarcation. To create a tag, HTML gives certain characters special, meaning the angle bracket or angular bracket, this. So these are the angular brackets. So putting the character within the angular bracket create a tag. If I want to create head h1 tag, I have to write this h1 within the angular bracket. So this has been created, and this is the end. This is the beginning of the tag, and this is the ending of the tag, because it has a slash. If you have a slash before h1 or before any tag, then it represents ending of the tag. Okay. Next is, okay, the various tags that you will be using while creating an HTML document. So you should know about it, right? First is doc type. Doc type. Before writing any HTML document, you can write, it's optional, if you want to write, you can write doc type tag. And why these are called tags? Because these have angular brackets. First of all, be aware of that these have angular brackets, so these are known as tags. So doc type, iska matlab, right?